There are many, many ways that you can develop and feed your brain. The part is that you have to do it consistently. For example, I wanted to become an entrepreneur. And again, I realized that there were different areas that I kind of wasn't really good. I didn't have a foundation in it. So what I did, I assessed what areas was I not confident and comfortable in. And I went in, I deep dive, I wrote it down, and I started breaking those areas down, and I started learning about those areas. So how to approach someone with your ideas, how to convey that message. I've read books on that. I looked at YouTube videos. I got audio books. I went to workshops. I went to conferences. How to become a better speaker. I did that too. I got a bunch of books, YouTube videos, audio books. And I do that consistently in anything that I want to develop more confidence in. So life is about constant growth, constant learning. So you have to feed your brain.
Check out the link in our bio to save 50% on life coach certifications and courses.